Hello dear children, this is Veena Karnatak, TGT English from KV number 1 Roorkee. Dear children, today I am going to explain you the chapter The Shepherd's Treasure. This is a classic supplementary. The Shepherd's Treasure. It is an Iranian folktale which tells us about a shepherd who remains very generous and humble even after getting fame and riches. This story tells us to remain humble and generous in every situation. There was a shepherd, though he was not educated, because at that time there were very few schools. But he was very generous, kind-hearted, thoughtful towards others. The shepherd was wise, though he did not get any formal education. But he was able enough to understand people's sorrows and troubles. He helped them. Many people came to him for advice because he always used to give generous advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. Everybody were talking about this. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. One day he came to the shepherd. As soon as the shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him. But the king was also wise. He did not go there in his king's form, in his kingly attire, but he disguised himself. The king changed his identity and disguised himself as shepherd because the king wanted to see the real nature of the shepherd, because anybody will be ready to flatter a king. You can see, dear children, here this is the disguised king. The king is there, but he had come just in the attire of a shepherd. Riding on a mule, he reached near a cave where the wise shepherd lived. The shepherd welcomed the traveler. He took the tired traveler inside the cave. He gave him water and his share of food. Meaning, already it was told to you that he was very generous, thoughtful. He saw one fellow traveler was coming, so he poured all his kindness and shared everything with him. He took him inside the cave, gave him water to drink and food to eat. The king rested for the night in the cave. He was impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. The king decided to appoint the shepherd the governor of a small district, because king was impressed with his generosity, hospitality, and his his wise nature. People loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. He was kind and just to one and all. His fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country. Meaning, he was given a small territory or a small place to govern, but there also his name, fame was exceeding. The other courtiers grew jealous of the new shepherd. See, dear children, as it happens sometime, if someone is doing very good work, justice, honor, he was getting honor, so the colleagues or the other governor felt jealous out of him. They began to talk to the king against him. Now, when people cannot check his fame, name, fame, popularity, they had started pouring their maliciousness into the heart of king against him. They said, he is very dishonest and keeps for himself the part of money that he collects as tax from the people. Why does he always carry an iron chest with him? No, the shepherd used to carry one iron chest along with him. So the courtier had started using this against him by saying that he was hiding the tax money especially for himself. At first, because the king knew him, at first the king did not pay any attention to their reports. But one day he called the new governor to the palace. He came riding on his camel, carrying the iron chest with him. The king was very angry. He asked, "Why do you always carry the iron chest with you? What does it contain?" The king lost his temper this time, because already the courtier had poured so much maliciousness, jealous words against him. So he asked this question, what was there in that chest? Chest is a sort of almirah sort, a bag sort. At this, shepherd governor laughed and asked the servant to bring his iron chest. People along with the king were waiting. When the chest was opened, everyone present there was surprised. The reason was that the iron chest did not consist any treasure but a very old blanket. The shepherd said that it was his only treasure, and he carries it everywhere wherever he goes. The king asked the shepherd why he carried such an old blanket. The governor replied, "This blanket is my oldest friend. It will still protect me if any time your majesty should wise to take away my new clocks." This was the wisdom of shepherd. He always carry his blanket because it was his oldest friend, and any time king could take his royal clothes, and he was ready to take back his old one. So this was hiding. This was there in that chest. The jealous governors were embarrassed. The jealous governor also, other governors, those who were jealous of his popularity, they were also observing everything. They were also there with the king because they wanted to catch him at red hand. So now they felt embarrassed. But the king was very pleased. He came to know that he was very humble and wise. Now the king made him governor of a district bigger than before from that day. So dear children, this only happens when we are generous, we are honest. Any problem can come to us, but we will be smart enough to overcome it, because God is always there with the generous people. So the story tells us to remain humble in every situation. You have seen the shepherd did not lose his generous behavior even after being governor. Now dear children, we will have some practice questions. First question is, the shepherd had not been to school because 4 options are given. You can see them. And the right option is, there were very few schools in those days. Another short answer questions we will solve now. Who visited the shepherd one day and why? The king of the country visited the shepherd one day. He wanted to meet him to know the truth. The other governors grow jealous of the shepherd. Why? The other governors grew jealous of the shepherd because his fame as a fair and wise governor spread all over the country. Third question is, why was the new governor called to the palace? The new governor was called to the palace because the king wanted to know the secret of the iron chest. Question 4. What did the iron chest contain? The iron chest contained an old blanket. Why did the shepherd always carry the iron chest? The shepherd always carried the iron chest as it was his best friend. The blanket could protect him if the king took away new royal clothes. Is it an example of the shepherd's humility or wisdom, or both? It was an example of shepherd's humility as well as wisdom. How did the king reward the new governor? The king rewarded the new governor by making him the governor of a much bigger district. Dear children, all of you will write summary as well as moral of this chapter or this story. This is your today's homework. Thank you, dear children. I hope you understood this story and you will learn the moral taught by this. Thank you, dear ones.